video, we're going to talk about the Audi sports electric car, Sport 55 Quattro. It was unveiled as a concept car at the 2015 Frankfurt Motor Show and delivered to the car market in 2019. The vehicle uses two electric motors, one at the front and another one at the rear. The combined peak motor power is 265 kW. That allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6 seconds to its top speed of 200 km per hour. Its range varies between 265 km and up to 515 km. The modular E-tron compact charger system gives the user maximum flexibility. It consists of an operating unit including a vehicle connection cable and two main connection cables, one with a household plug and one with an industrial plug. The system compact has a charging capacity of up to 11 kW. On the control unit, the user can manually switch between 100% and 50% charging performance. The E-tron charger system displays the status of the charging system and the charging process concisely by means of LEDs on the operating unit. The combined charger system Type 2 is an industry standard vehicle connector for convenient charging the inlets and plugs supporting AC and DC charging standards. The vehicle's equipment includes electrical adjustable front air sport seats. They give the driver such options as seat inclination adjustment, height adjustment, cushion angle and back inclination adjustment. The front air sport seats also feature pneumatic lumbar support and pneumatic adjustment of the side sections of the backrest and seat cushion. The car's equipment also includes Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, LED lights, 360-degree cameras, the interior styling package S-Line, numerous aluminium parts such as the floor plate and the rear structure, E-tron compact charger system, as well as multifunction sport leather steering wheel in 3-spoke design with recuperation function and heat and mode selection. The luggage compartment is spacious, has a high quality finish and the correct shape. The trunk volume is 660 liters. The interior styling package S-Line features sport seats with leatherette inserts and an embossed S-Line logo, perforated leather and an S-Line badge on the steering wheel, inlays in dark matte aluminium, bright metal effect trim on the dashboard and center console, bright metal trim paddles and S-Line sill plates, headliner black fabric, front and rear copper floor mats with contrast stitching. The main feature of an e-tron is that it is flanked on either side by a pair of switched virtual door mirrors. The tech replaces the conventional mirrors with two high-resolution cameras, which feed images to a set of small screens in the doors. A lower center of gravity secures better handling that makes for instant acceleration and quiet ride. The e-tron is based on a heavily modified version of the MLB Evo platform and bears little resemblance to an Audi Q7. The suspension uses double wishbones. Rear multi-link suspension is installed with air springs, which ensures a smooth ride. Audi's all-wheel drive system is powered by a 95 kW lithium-ion battery pack. Two charging ports are used to charge the battery. The slot for connecting the cable can be found on the left. The arrival of an Audi Sport 55 Quattro has marked the beginning of next-generation cars and is a convincing step forward for a company that has well established itself in the market.